Hey everyone, good afternoon. My name is Amit Surana. I am here with the fourth lecture on coordinate geometry. Today we are going to look at equation of a circle. In the previously done classes, we had looked at Cartesian system, distance formula, midpoint formula, section formula in the first lecture. In the second lecture, we had looked at equation of a line and different situations with that. In yesterday's session, we had looked at different points of a triangle: orthocenter, centroid, circumcenter, incenter, and questions related to that. And we had also looked at area of a triangle and area of a quadrilateral. In today's session, we're going to deal with equation of a circle. My name is Amit Surana. Please don't forget to follow hashtag #CatLifeDaily the next time you go on Instagram. Hello Rishi, good afternoon. Please join these two Telegram groups. The links for these groups are also provided in the description. You will be updated with everything that we have planned for your MBA prep in these groups. Also, if you're preparing for CAT 2022, then there are two batches. One is an ongoing batch where I am taking quantitative aptitude. I'll be taking basics of quants here. This started on the 10th of July last week, and we had done two classes. So this is a weekend batch. Two classes are done with this. We are soon going to start with advanced calculation techniques. You can also join the one starting on the 17th of July, which is also a weekend batch, which is taken by Harsh Shah, Divya Mishra, and Sashant Rathore. So to join into any one of these batches, all you have to do is take a subscription. You can take a subscription of Plus, where you get unlimited access to all content available. Don't forget to use my code Surana or SURANALIVE, which will give you a 10% discount. Hi Prince. Prince Propel batch में सिर्फ trigonometry बाकी है. We'll do trigonometry and then we will start a practice series there. ठीक है? We will do a quick practice series on YouTube and we will continue with our usual special wala practice series. Done? Hello Gaurav. Hi Priya. Hello Rishi. Chalo, let's start. Let's talk about the circle. So if a circle is given to you with center P, if this center P is denoted by the coordinates a comma b, yes, and the length of the radius is r, then equation of a circle is given by x minus a square plus y minus b square, which is equal to r square. Or in other words, x minus a square plus y minus b square minus r square is equal to 0. Yes, now you can come across different formats of the same equation with opened up terms. So if I open this up, what will I get? I'll get x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square minus 2by plus y plus b square minus r square. So this is basically just an opened up version and explicit version of what our standard formula is. Yes, let's try out a few things. Before that, let me tell you a few things about the general equation. So if it is given in this form, x square plus y square plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equal to 0, this basically means that g and f denote the opposites of the coordinates of the center. So minus g and minus f are its center, and the radius will be given by square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, this is basic. So if you compare this with our standard expansion, the expansion that we just saw, if you compare it with this, you will notice that x square y square is a common term. This is nothing but minus 2 times ax. This is nothing but minus 2 times by. Yes, plus c will include what? Plus c has your a square, b square minus r square. Yes, so if you want r, if you just want the radius, then you're going to have to take the square root of g square plus f square minus c. Clear? And if the center of the circle is at the origin, if the center is at the origin, that is your A and B is nothing but 0, 0, then in that case what will happen? Your equation becomes x square plus y square is equal to r square. Done? That being said, let's start with our first question. Read this question, quickly try this out. They want us to find out the radius and the center of this particular given circle का expansion. चलो फटाफट से try करो. हाय नेहा, गुड आफ्टरनून. अंजलि सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, जोर से बात करो. अर्शान, कौन सा मॉर्निंग वाला बैच, कौन सा मॉर्निंग वाला बैच का टाइम 1 PM कर दूं भाई? So this particular equation is opened up. So if you can write it in the form of x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equal to r square, then good. But if you're not able to complete the squares, then what you can do? You can go for the standard format. Yes, which was what? X square plus y square plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c is equal to 0. Yes, where minus g and minus f are your center. Center is given by minus g comma minus f. Yes, and radius is given by what? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. So if you can write it down in that format, then you have your answer. Gaurav says Gaurav and Rishi are saying the radius is 8. Okay, what about the center? Hi Lokesh, hello Aditya. Unacademy वाला अर्शान, वो प्लस बैच वो फिक्स्ड है, उसका टाइमिंग अभी मिड कोर्स चेंज नहीं कर सकते. अभी वाला ट्राई करो ज्वाइन करने का, नेक्स्ट वाला हम आफ्टरनून से कर लेंगे. Alright, so what's happening here? Okay, Gaurav says 6 comma minus 4 is the center. Okay, Gaurav. So if you compare this and this, if you compare this given equation and our standard equation, what do you see? Minus 6x is basically 2 times gx, correct? 2 times gx is nothing but minus 6x. So x gets cancelled, you get g equal to minus 3. Same way you can compare plus 4y with 2 times fy. So plus 4y is nothing but 2 times fy. So what do you get? F is equal to 2. So what's your center here? What is the center? The center of the circle is minus 3 comma 2. Not 3 comma 2, not 6 comma minus 4, minus 3 comma 2. Getting it? Sorry, this is g and f, my bad. This is g and f. Center is given as minus g comma minus f, which is minus of minus 3 plus 3 and minus of plus 2 minus 2. So this is your center, 3 comma minus 2. Yeah, and for your radius you can directly stick to this. radius क्या हो जाएगा, square root of g square which is 9 plus f square which is 2 minus c is nothing but minus 12, so minus of minus 12 becomes plus 12. Make sense everyone? Yes, sorry, this will become 4 now, 2 square 4. So 13 plus 12 is root 25, that's nothing but 5 units. So your radius is 5 units, center is 3 comma minus 2. Understood? Alternatively, what you can do here, if you don't want to get involved in too many terms, getting confused with this, then you can go ahead with completion of squares. Yes, if I open this particular term up, if I open this up, what will I get? I'll get x square plus a square plus minus 2 times ax plus y square plus b square minus 2 times by minus r square is 0, correct? So you have x square and y square minus 2 times ax is basically equal to this part, minus 6x. Make sense? Yes or no? So what do you get? Minus 2a, so minus also gets cancelled. You will get 2 times a is 6 or a is equal to 3. Same way compare minus 2 times by with what? 4y. You'll directly get the fact that your b is minus 2. A comma b is your center. This part is done. Yes. Now for the radius, what will you have to do? Once that you figured out that a is 3 and b is minus 2, your constant minus 12 that is given here, minus 12, ये जो आपका minus 12 दिया है, ये basically क्या है? a square plus b square minus r square, है ना? तो क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर क्या है? 3 स्क्वायर 9, बी स्क्वायर क्या है? 4 माइनस आर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज आर स्क्वायर? आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 9 प्लस 4 प्लस 12. आर स्क्वायर इज 25, आर इज इक्वल टू 5 यूनिट्स. यस, तो जो भी आपका स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन है, whatever your standard equation of a circle, you can directly start comparing with that. ठीक है? You don't have to remember other forms of it. Done? चलो, let's try out the next question now. Quickly try this out. We need to find out the radius and the center of this particular circle. Hi Lokesh, hello Shrishti. चलो नेक्स्ट ट्राई करके देखो. I still think it's better that we stick to the standard format itself. एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप रहेगा एक्सपैंड करने वाला, बट आई थिंक दैट्स बेयरेबल. इसी को रखो, forget that G and F, forget your GF. I mean, yeah, do it. Okay, Swati says 2 and minus 7 by 2. Okay. That's the center, Swati. 2 comma 7 minus 7 by 2. Okay, this is the center. What about the radius? Hi Shreyashi, no issues. Join in, join in. Four comma minus 7 by 2. 4 comma minus 7 by 2 says Neha. Swati says it is 2 comma minus 7 by 4. Any other answers? फोर कमा सेवन बाई टू, पॉजिटिव में 4,7/2, ठीक है। -4, अच्छा ठीक है, अब कुछ ज्यादा ही जा रहा है। -4, -7/2 +4, -7/2। चलो ठीक है, ये सारे आंसर्स आगे फटाफट से ट्राई करते हैं। ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, वी नीड टू राइट दिस इन दिस फॉर्म। इसको पहले एक्सपैंड कर लेते हैं। लेट्स एक्सपैंड दिस फर्स्ट। व्हाट विल वी हैव? x², अच्छा तो एक काम करते हैं, विल राइट इट लाइक दिस इटसेल्फ, x² + y² -2ax -2by प्लस a² + b² - r² इक्वल टू 0, है ना। इसी फॉर्मेट में लिखते हैं, क्लोजर टू ईच अदर। So here we see that x² and y² have a coefficient. We need to remove that. So what will we do? Divide this entire equation by 2. So this will become x². Let me use a different pen. x² plus y² minus 4x plus 7/2y is equal to 0. Yes. ठीक है, now let's compare. तो x² y² got compared, done. We have -2 times ax being equal to -4x. So what do you get? You get a is equal to 2, correct? One part done. Next let's compare -2 times by with 7/2y. So y gets cancelled off, b becomes -7/4. So what's your center, guys? Your center is 2, -7/4. This is the center. The rest of the answer choices are incorrect. थोड़ा सा check कर लो. Done. Now for the radius, if you directly want to use that formula, okay. Otherwise you know that this part a² plus b² minus r² is basically your constant. What is the constant here, guys? Constant क्या है यहाँ पे? 0. कोई constant नहीं है ना? No constant. So a² which is 4 plus b² which is 49/16 is basically equal to r². Yes, क्योंकि ये 0 हो गया, r² उधर चला गया. तो what is your radius? Your radius is basically equal to 8 plus 7/4. 15/4 is your radius. Make sense? Everyone? Sorry. Whole square root है ना? My bad. Whole square root. So this is 64 plus 49/16, the whole root. Yes, 16 into 4, 64. So this gives us 113, root 113/4 units. Got it? Yes, correct Swati, superb. Root 113/4. Very good. Prakhar, this expansion formula लगा रहा हूँ ना, a minus b the whole square, और यहाँ पे भी a minus b the whole square, फॉर्मूला लगा के कर रहा हूँ. That's it. Hi Ajay, welcome buddy. Okay, read the next question. Try, see if you can understand it. Find the radius of the circle which has 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0 and 9x plus 12y plus 20 equal to 0 as tangents at the extremities of the diameter. What do you mean by that? If there is a circle, this is the center of the circle, this is your diameter. They're saying there are two tangents, one passing through like this. This is one tangent, this is another tangent. Yes. What is this formula? This equation of line is 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0, and this line is 9x plus 12y plus 20 equal to 0. आसिम यहाँ पे लिंक शेयर नहीं कर सकते, अनअकैडमी कैट पे नहीं मिल रहा। दिस इज जस्ट द 4th लेक्चर, 3 लेक्चर पहले जाओ मिल जाएगा। डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक है, उसमें मिल जाएगा। डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक है, ये बिगिनर्स बैच है, उसका प्लेलिस्ट है, उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, चलो ट्राई करो ये। So what do you know at tangent? At tangent, your radius and the tangent, at the point of contact, your radius and the tangent is perpendicular. Yes, remember that. See if you can try this real quick. So for this we need to know the relation between two perpendicular lines. Yes, we need to know the relation between the two perpendicular lines, or we need to know the distance between two parallel lines. It is understood that these two tangents are parallel, correct? Tangent 1, this line, let's call it tangent 1, or okay, this is tangent 2, tangent 1. These two are parallel lines, correct? Tangent 1 will be parallel to tangent 2. Yes. For this, what do we want? We need to find out what will be our distance. Yes, distance between any two parallel lines. Yes, so the distance between any two parallel lines is given by C1 minus C2 whole divided by square root of A square plus B square. Yes. Provided your term has the same A and has the same B. A and B must be equal. Yes, so tangent 1 can be written as, it's written as 3x plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. Tangent 2 is written as 9x plus 12y plus 20 equal to 0. Yes. We know that for any two parallel lines, you know that A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2, which should not be equal to C1 by C2, correct? This we learnt parallel lines ka condition. So we have to ensure that this and this is equal. So what will we do? Just multiply the first tangent with 3. So what will you get? You will get tangent 1. The new form will be 9x plus 12y minus 30 equal to 0, and tangent 2 is 9x plus 12y plus 20 equal to 0. Parallel lines. So the distance between them can be given as what? C1 minus C2, which is 20 minus of minus 30, whatever, that's 50, divided by A square plus B square ka whole root, that is 9 square plus 12 square. Getting it? Yes, so this is 3:4:5, correct? 3:4:5. This is 3 parts, this is 4 parts. So this will be 15. Our answer, our diameter, this distance basically, ye jo distance hai, this distance, that's nothing but diameter is given by 50 by 15. Or radius, that's nothing but half of the diameter is what? 25 by 15, that's nothing but 5 by 3 units. Got it, everyone? Yes, so your diameter will be 10 by 3. Diameter will be 10 by 3. They are asking for the radius, which turns out to be how much? 5 by 3. Clear? Yes, everyone. So what is this? This is distance between two parallel lines. Let's call it D. Distance between two parallel lines. ठीक है सर, T1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कैसे किया? T1 को, क्योंकि हमें सी दिस इज द कंडीशन, आपको पता है कि कोई भी लाइन, हम फर्स्ट लाइन को वी कैन राइट इट एज a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इक्वल टू 0, है ना, स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन. सेम वे T2 को हम कैसे लिख रहे हैं? a2x प्लस b2y plus C2 equal to 0. Yes, so we basically want A1 by A2 to be equal to B1 by B2, क्योंकि ये parallel lines है. Parallel lines में x और y के coefficient का ratio same होता है ना. So we want A1 by A2 to be equal to B1 by B2. Getting it? This is basically what? 1:3, 1:3. ये equal है. 1:3, 1:3. So basically just writing it in such a form that A and B दोनों में equal हो. X का coefficient, Y का coefficient दोनों में equal होना चाहिए. ठीक है? हाँ नहीं यार, ये formula है. This is the formula. Clear? चलो. Okay, before we move on to the next question, guys, there are a lot of new offerings that Unacademy has got. We are launching a 6-month subscription, iconic subscription. Yes, normally iconic में we had only 12 and 24 months, है ना, 12 months or 24 months. अभी एक 6 months launch कर रहे हैं because we have some, you know, close to about 6 months for our cat. Less than 6 months actually for our cat, है ना. तो cat 21 वालों के लिए specially this particular product is being launched. Yes, you can talk to your mentors at any time you want. You can book the slot, you can discuss strategy with them, clear doubts, ask them to, you know, repeat something, anything that you have an issue with. Okay, same way there is a 2-year iconic subscription जिसका प्राइस अभी कम किया गया. There is a 2-year iconic subscription जो आपको CAT 2022 and other management entrance tests clear करने में help करेगा. The price was 67,000, now it is 59,999. And there is an 18-month plus subscription. पहले normally क्या होता था? 12 months, 24 months and 6 months. Now because for CAT 2022 alone, there's about a month and a half left, a year and a half left. So we started an 18-month plus subscription, which will cost you 28,550. And if you are someone who is not only preparing for CAT but also looking at campus placement, yes, कि सर अगर CAT नहीं निकला तो campus placement will be my backup, yes, plan B. तो उनके लिए नया entire new product itself is launched where you get a combination of both CAT and campus placements. आप दोनों categories में मिलके you can subscribe. तो उसका 12 months का 29,600 है and 6 months का 19,916 है. So to enroll into any of these, don't forget to use what referral code? SURANALIVE. Yes, you use SURANALIVE even for any of these products, you will get a 10% discount. If you want to talk more about this, you can drop a text on my Telegram handle SURANALIVE and we'll discuss it there. ठीक है? चलो let's try the next question now. Here it is. Yes, Prakhar, campus placement. Unacademy also offers training on campus placement. A lot of companies have their own placement tests. रिक्रूटमेंट टेस्ट अलग से होते हैं उनके. TCS का अलग से उनका रिक्रूटमेंट टेस्ट होता है, इन्फोसिस का अलग से होता है, CTS का, विप्रो का अलग से होता है, कॉग्निजेंट का अलग से होता है, राइट. तो Unacademy trains on them as well. चलो फटाफट से ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो गाइस. लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल कैन डू दिस. नहीं प्रखर, Unacademy will not be giving placements. Unacademy will help you train for placements. प्लेसमेंट्स के जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स होते हैं, प्लेसमेंट्स में जो GD PI होता है, उसमें हेल्प करेगी आपकी. ठीक है, चलो ये फटाफट से ट्राई करो गाइस. व्हाट आर दे सेइंग? फाइंड द रेडियस of a circle with center 2, 2 and having the line 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 as a tangent to a point on the scale. Yes, तो अपना डायग्राम कुछ ऐसा लगेगा. This is our circle. This is the center of that particular circle which is given as 2, 2, है ना. इसका हमें क्या निकालना है? रेडियस निकालना है. प्रोवाइडेड देयर इज अ टैंजेंट टू द सर्कल. यस, दिस लाइन इज गिवन बाय द इक्वेशन 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. We need to find out what would be the radius of this. Radius. ठीक है. One small hint, the radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other. Yes. So I'll give you a quick shortcut here. Multiple ways of trying this question out. The fastest shortcut will be what? If you want to find out perpendicular distance between a point and a line. Yes, if you want to find out perpendicular distance between a point and a line, it is given by, let's say D, it is given by ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square the whole root. Okay, very similar to the formula we saw for distance between two parallel lines, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines, very similar to that. So all you basically have to do is x के बदले पे you have to substitute the center, to y के बदले पे you will have to substitute this part. This is x1 y1. ये आपका x1 y1 है. And this basically is your ax1 plus, let me use a different color, ax1, ये ax plus by plus c equal to 0. तो इसमें आपको x1 कमा y1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है and divided by a square plus b square का whole root. So what will you get? A which is 4 into x1 जो 2 है, plus b which is 3 into 2, c क्या है? -4 whole divided by square root of a square which is 16 plus b square that is 9. Yes, ये हमें क्या देगा? This is 8 plus 6 minus 4 by root 25 is 5. या Pythagorean triplets 9 is to 16 is to 25 है ना. 3 is to 4 is to 5 basically. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 10 by 2 is 10 by 5 is 2 units. तो आपका रेडियस यहाँ पे क्या है? 2 units. समझ गए? Yes, everyone. वेरी गुड गौरव, श्रेयसी, नेहा। ऋषि वो डायमीटर है आपने जो निकाला 4, दैट इज डायमीटर, द आंसर इज 2 यूनिट्स। Beautiful guys, very nice. So this is how you find out the distance, the perpendicular distance between a point and a line. ठीक है, चलो। Subhanshu, I have done an entire session about best books for quant. I've done an entire session, so just search for best books and type my name Amit Surana and search it. ये आप सर्च करो, ठीक है, search this. You'll find a session that I've taken where I've spoken about all the best books for quantitative aptitude. Okay, चलो ये वाला ट्राई करो गाइस। Here we basically have to form the equation. Standard form क्या है? x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equal to r square. बस equation बनाना है, easy peasy, जल्दी करो। So what is happening here? ये आपका a है, this is your b. Yes, so x minus a square is x minus of minus 3 plus 3 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square is 49. So this is accepted as equation of a circle. If you want to नहीं श्रेयसी, 7 square is equal to r square ना, is equal to r नहीं, r square. Okay, or if you want to break this open then you can, which will give you what? X square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 49. Yes, so you have x square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y. Now you have 9 and 25, which is 34. Take it to the other side, you will get 15. So minus 15 is equal to 0. This is your expanded form of the same equation. Okay, superb, very good Neha, very good Shreyashi, superb Rishi, वेरी गुड गौरव। प्रखर, हाँ -3 है तो a की जगह पे x माइनस ऑफ -3, x माइनस ऑफ -3 द होल स्क्वायर है ना, तो ये क्या हो गया? x माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, so x प्लस 3 द होल स्क्वायर। ठीक है प्रखर, आया समझ में ये? चलो अगला जल्दी से करो, ये हमने ऑलरेडी करा है, वी हैव डन दिस अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, क्विकली डू दिस। Just find out the center radius, quick. In fact, do one thing, let's take this as homework. चलो ये homework में करो, ये आपने already कर लिया है, so let's not do it now, homework कर लो इसको, ठीक है? Take a screenshot of this, this is homework, we'll talk about this tomorrow. Next question, try this one out now. This is interesting. So they're saying equation of a circle is this: P is a point on the circle which is farthest from A, that is 47,39. Yes, this is not A, this is Q. This is Q. Yes, we need to find out the distance between P and Q. Yes. So I'll draw the diagram for you all, help you understand. There is a circle. Yes, it has a center. You can find out the center from here, है ना? You can find out the center from here. What are they saying now? They're saying that there is a point P on the circle. Yes, point P is on the circle. Let's say point P is here, which is farthest. This is what? Most farthest. So if point P, let's say if point Q is here. Yes, if point Q is here, what will be the farthest P can be like this, correct? Perpendicularly. If P is here, this distance is shorter, है ना? ये distance short है. This is the farthest P can be. So Q, which is 47,39, is farthest from P. They want us to find out what is this entire distance. How much is this entire distance PQ? Quickly try this. आपको सेंटर पता है, आपको Q का कोऑर्डिनेट पता है. This is not P, okay? Q पता है, सेंटर पता है. You can find out the radius also from here. Let's see who can answer this. काफी सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. Hi Aman, trigonometry will go live today. Today 8 PM we will do trigonometry. Okay. 9 root 41 says Shreyasi. Okay. Others? So from the given question, what can you realize, guys? X minus a square plus y minus b square is r square. Rishi and Neha are saying B, 8 root 41. ठीक है. Anyone else? तो हमें इक्वेशन क्या दे रखा है? x minus 17 the whole square plus y minus 15 the whole square is equal to 369. Yes, 369 is basically what? 9 into 41. Correct? 369 is basically 9 into 41. So r square is basically 9 into 41. We'll just keep it like this. So now you can quickly compare. You know that A is 17, B is 15. So you got the center. Center is 17, 15. Yes. You can also get the radius. If r square is equal to 9 into 41, then what is r? Square root of 9 into 41, which is 3 root 41. है ना? 41 is not a perfect square. So 3 root 41 is our radius. Make sense? So from here, from the center till P, this is nothing but our radius, which is 3 root 41. We just have to find out the distance between point Q and O. Yes, so PQ is given as OQ plus the radius OP. OQ is nothing but distance between 47,39 and 17,15. So let's quickly do this. 47 minus 17 square, distance formula. 39 minus 15 square, the whole root, plus OP is what? 3 root 41. 47 minus 17 is 300. 30 square is 900. Plus 39 minus 15 is 24 square. Make sense, everyone? Yes or no? 39 minus 15 is how much? 24 square, which is 576 whole root plus 3 root 41. How much is that? 1476 root 1476 plus 3 root 41. Are you able to understand this, guys? Yes or no? So square root of 1476, you can remove 5, 12, 18. So 1476 is divisible by 3 as well as 2. So let's divide it with 6. You will get 246. 246 further is divisible by 6 41 times. So this is how much? 6 into 6, 36 into 41 plus 3 root 41, or this is nothing but 6 root 41 plus 3 root 41, which is equal to 9 root 41. Yes. So this question might look a little complex when you read the question because diagram is not given to you, but otherwise this is actually a very simple question. You're basically just using equation of a circle to find out the radius and the center ka coordinates, and you're using distance formula here. That's it. दिखने में कॉम्प्लेक्स है क्योंकि डायग्राम नहीं दिया हुआ है, अदरवाइज दिस इज अ सिंपल टास्क. या डन. हाँ ऋषि, आज शाम से कराएंगे. फ्रॉम दिस इवनिंग वी विल डू दैट. ओके गाइस, टुडे 5 PM. Today at 5 PM we will be doing the third lecture on Maharashtra CET crash course. If you are preparing for Maharashtra CET, then might as well join this. Today we are going to talk about profit and loss. Okay, don't forget to join this. Don't forget to use SURANALIVE. I'll be sharing the code on the Telegram groups. Yeah. So with this guys, circles and equation of circles का concept हो गया है. We will be doing questions soon, but don't forget Sunday 12 PM you have to enroll for a scholarship test. You get a rank before under 200, you will get a scholarship as good as one entire year's CAT plus subscription free. Yes, this is a free test. You can use this QR code to scan, or you can use the link given in the description or in the Telegram groups, but don't forget to use SURANALIVE when you enter into combat. Yeah, and also these are all the ongoing batches. This has started on 10th, this has started today, and this will start on the 17th. If you haven't enrolled into them, go ahead and do that. You can do it by taking plus subscription. Use my code SURANALIVE for a 10% discount. And if you're looking for one-on-one live mentorship program, yes, one-on-one live mentorship program, this is called LMP, live mentorship program, where you can talk to your mentor directly, you can clear doubts, you can ask for concepts, you can talk about strategy, they can help you make a customized study plan, and you can book slots as per your convenience. These mentors are alumni of top B schools. Top B schools जैसे IIM Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Calcutta के graduates हैं. तो आप उनसे डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हो एंड दे विल हेल्प यू विथ any of these above mentioned things. So to get an iconic subscription 24 months है, 12 months है, उसके अलावा अभी न्यू स्टार्टेड 18 months भी है ना, सॉरी 6 months भी है. Yes, 24 months है, 12 months है, 6 months है. Don't forget to use my code SURANALIVE और आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. ठीक है. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to join this. I'll be waiting on you. Thank you so much for being a part of the session. I'll see you soon. Have a great day ahead. Keep learning. Let's crack it.